Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
When the time came for this child to come into the world, the mother of this child stood by the side of the Kaaba and raised her hands in prayer.
O Lord, help me till my son is born.
And as soon as she said it, the wall of the Kaaba split and she went inside. Then the wall went back to its original form. The people tried to open the door of the Kaaba, but failed and realized that it was a miracle from Allah. 3 days later, people saw that the wall cracked open again and the woman came out with her newborn son. The woman said,
Allah has given me superiority over all women today. The kindness that Allah has bestowed on me has not been bestowed on anyone else. I entered the Kaaba because of my son, and food was brought to me from heaven, and when I was coming out of the Kaaba, an unseen voice told me to name this child Ali because he has superiority over all. And Allah said that He has chosen the name of this child from His own name and has endowed him with His knowledge. He will invite people to the true religion and will preach the message of God.